business owner struggling to make an impact on social media? Do you find yourself constantly losing potential customers to your competitors who seem to have it all figured out? Hello and welcome to another game-changing video by SLBPO. As a small business owner, you know that social media can be a powerful tool for growth, but you may have struggled to make it work for your business. It's time to level up your social media game and take your business to the next level. In this video, I will be explaining you how you can explore the 7 common pain points that small businesses face on social media and provide you with some practical solutions to overcome them. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a successful social media strategy and propel your business to a new height of success. So, let's get started. Talk about 7 small business pain points of social media. Before going there, I want to share a quote by Robert H. Schuller. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. You have to follow the right strategies to get successful. Here are some. Number 1, choosing the right social media platform. Selecting the right social media platform for your business is really very crucial. Start by researching your target audience and their preferred social media channels. Facebook is the largest platform, but consider Instagram and TikTok for younger audience, LinkedIn for professionals, and Pinterest for visual contents. Try to be on only some platforms and focus on the ones that align with your business goals and audience. Ask yourself these questions to select the right social media platform. What is your target audience? Which platform does your target audience spend most of their time on? How to connect with your audience through the selected platform? Will this social media help you to grow your audience? Is your product or service relevant to social media? Once you have all the answers, you can choose the right social media platform for your business. Number 2, creating social media business profiles. Creating social media profiles for your small businesses can be challenging due to the uniquenesses and guidelines of each platform. I suggest start with Facebook. Then prepare a company description and make some basic graphics. Make sure adhere to each platform's code of ethics and regulations. Once your profiles are set up correctly, social media can simplify processes for your small businesses. Number 3 is understanding the target audience. To build a successful brand, understand your target audience first. Different social media platforms attract different audiences. So, define your business and capture your target audience accordingly. Gather behavioral data to target your audience through social media marketing properly. Things you have to know to understand your target audience. Where do your target audience live? What are the common product or service challenges faced by your target audiences? What is the financial status of your target audience? How many hours do they spend on social media platforms? Once you start social media marketing, get feedback from your audience and read their review so that you can understand them better for future campaigns. Number 4, unique selling proposition or USP. A unique selling proposition sets your product or service apart from competitions and offers value to customers. Display your USP clearly in your social media bio to increase conversions. Find your USP by analyzing competitors, talking to your audience, and testing evergreen content to see what resonates with your target demographic. Number 5, engaging content planning. Content planning is crucial for small businesses on social media. Prepare content in advance to stay on top of the things and reduce stress. Think from a consumer perspective while planning content to grab their attention and update your social media platforms. Tips for social media content planning: set goals for your content. Pick a time for content distribution when most of your audience will be online. Select the format of the content. For example, the content can be a live stream, blog share, infographic, poll, etc. Find trending and relatable topics. Try to tell a story through your content. Plan content where your customers can participate. For example, Q&A session will be much better. Number 6, regular content management. Regular content distribution is important for engaging customers on social media. You should respond promptly to queries to keep customers from losing to competitors. Schedule content in advance using social media platforms' post-scheduling features to stay on top. Avoid using paid tools for social media management due to budget constraints. Some content management tools for your social media are buffers, Boothsite and Social Pilot. Tracking measurable ROI. Tracking ROI is a major pain point for small businesses on social media. Metrics are important to evaluate the efficacy of campaigns, but measuring ROI can be troublesome as maintaining social media platforms. Let's now find the steps to measure social media ROI. Step 1. Determine your social media campaign goals. Step 2. Specify your goals in measurable terms. Step 3. Plan your campaign and budget for its associated cost. Step 4. Run your advert. Step 5. Track the success of your campaign with the goals. Step 6. Prepare your campaign's ROI report. If you don't get the expected ROI from your social media campaign, you have to plan again differently with a better strategy. SLBPO has a different types of marketing plan. You can select any of them or make your own to drive your ROI and increase your sales. Don't let the pain points of social media management hold back the growth of your small business. Outsource to our SLBPO team of experts and watch your engagement soar while you focus on what to best running your business. Say goodbye to the hassle of social media management and hello to a thriving online presence. Contact us today to learn more about this. We will see you soon in the next video.